To be or not to be? That is the question. Oh, maid? Line. Oh. Oh! What a rogue and peasant slave am I! Whether 'tis nobler in the mind's eye to kill oneself or not killing oneself, to sleep a great deal. Thrift, Horatio, neither a borrower nor a lender be, but to thine own self be true. There is a special providence in the fall of a sparrow. Out, damn spot! I come to wive it, wealthily in Padua. If wealthily, then happily in Padua. Brush up your Shakespeare, start quoting him now. How was China? Very large China. How was Japan? Very small Japan. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands. One nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Line! Oh my God, Oh my God, I am heartily sorry for having offended thee, and I detest all my sins because I dread the loss of heaven and the pains of hell. But most of all because they offend thee, my God, who art all good and deserving of all my love. And I resolve to confess my sins, to do penance, and to amend my life. Amen. That's the act of contrition that Catholic school children say. Catholic adults say it too, I imagine. I don't know any Catholic adults. Line! Thank you. That was from The Actor's Nightmare by Christopher Durang.